Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about Taxjar, which is really nice corporate tax software. We are going to talk about pros and cons. I'll tell you more about Taxjar, and also we are going to talk about pricing, so you know exactly how much you should prepare to pay. So Taxjar is a sales tax compliance platform that helps businesses to manage their tax returns accordingly and stay compliant always. The platform is capable of automating the full sales tax lifecycle for businesses across all the sales channels. It ultimately helps them to stay ahead of their competitors in the market, collect the right sales tax on sold products, and file taxes and remittance on time. Taxjar includes features like product categorization, flexible APIs, a real-time calculation engine, and transaction reports that reduce the administrative burden of multi-channel sellers in no time. The solution has its API through which it can be easily integrated with users' favorite e-commerce and ERP platforms like Shopify, Stripe, or NetSuite. With Taxjar, businesses also get an award-winning support team that is always ready to offer a smooth sales tax experience. Finally, the platform also provides users with up-to-date reports regarding sales and sales tax due collected by state and jurisdiction. It's made for all type of businesses, from small to medium. I don't really think that like biggest of the companies, the enterprises, can get the top performance, but most certainly freelancers can really use it to their advantage. They are located in Massachusetts, and we are right now looking at the pricing plans, and we have a starter or professional options. There is tons of options you can go with it. Pricing starts at $19 a month for a starter, 200 plan, which includes 200 orders per month, and then professional, it's $99 for the same amount. Only difference is, as you can see, support and also APIs with the professional option. So if you really want to integrate it, you should go with a professional options. And that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.